I'm going to show you how to set up the Outlook on your Android mobile phone. So the first thing you'll need to do is to install the Outlook application on your phone by going to the Google Play Store. And then you want to search for Outlook and click on Install next to Microsoft Outlook application. Now once it's installed, you want to open up the application and then you want to add your Outlook account by clicking on Add Account button. And then you will need to enter your Outlook email address. And then you will need to enter the code being sent to your secondary recovery email to sign into your account. And once you enter the code, you should be signed into your account. And then it will ask you, would you like to add another account? You can click on maybe later. And then it should take you to your inbox where you can see your emails or send new emails and see calendar and apps and all the stuff that comes with Outlook. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful. See you on the next one.